Finding affiliate marketing seminars specifically localized to your area might be challenging, as many seminars in the field of affiliate marketing are often conducted online or are part of larger marketing conferences that may not be restricted to a specific geographical location. However, you can explore various avenues to find seminars or workshops that might cover affiliate marketing topics. 1. Marketing events and conferences. Look for marketing-related events, seminars, or workshops happening in your area. While these might not focus exclusively on affiliate marketing, they often cover broader digital marketing strategies that encompass affiliate marketing techniques. 2. Local business organizations. Check with local business organizations, chambers of commerce, or industry associations in your area. They sometimes host workshops or seminars on digital marketing that might touch upon affiliate marketing concepts. 3. Educational institutions. Some colleges, universities, or adult education centers might organize seminars or workshops related to online business, digital marketing, or entrepreneurship. While they may not specifically label them as affiliate marketing seminars, they could cover relevant topics. 4. Online event platforms. Explore online platforms that list events and seminars related to marketing. Websites like Eventbrite or Meetup often feature marketing-related events that might cover aspects of affiliate marketing. 5. Digital marketing agencies. Reach out to marketing agencies or consultants operating in your region. Sometimes, these agencies host or participate in seminars or workshops related to digital marketing strategies, including affiliate marketing. Even if you can't find seminars solely dedicated to affiliate marketing in your area, attending broader marketing events or workshops can still provide valuable insights and knowledge applicable to affiliate marketing. Additionally, online seminars and webinars accessible from anywhere often cover advanced strategies and updates in affiliate marketing, so consider exploring these options as well.